Yes, good afternoon, students.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Okay, fine. How far are you people with your assignment? I didn't get time to get the folder ready yesterday. I'll do it today for you. Have you started writing or you need time?
I'm completed.
Completed?
ম্যাম কমপ্লিট হয়ে গেছে।
কমপ্লিট হয়ে গেছে? ঠিক আছে, তাহলে আমি ফোল্ডারটা ক্রিয়েট করে আমি বলে দেবো, তাহলে আজকে সন্ধ্যের দিকে আপলোড করো। ঠিক আছে, as far as what we had discussed till far, anybody any issues or any doubts, any queries?
No, ma'am.
Anybody any doubts or any queries? হ্যাঁ বলো।
You were discussing about peak inverse voltage, but suddenly the meeting ended.
Louder, please. Louder, please. I can't hear you.
Ma'am, you were discussing about peak inverse voltage, but the meeting ended abruptly. So
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ আমি জানি, হ্যাঁ আমি কন্টিনিউ করব, আমি ওখান থেকেই কন্টিনিউ করব। আমি ওটা করে তারপর নেক্সট টপিকে ঢুকবো। কালকে অ্যাকচুয়ালি হয়ে যেত, ওই আমার একটা কল এলো বলে হট করে 1-2 মিনিট ওখানে চলে গেল, 1 মিনিট ওখানে গেল, এই 1 মিনিটেই ওটা হয়ে যেত। জাস্ট এ সেকেন্ড, হোল্ড অন, আইল কন্টিনিউ ফ্রম ওয়্যার উই লেফট। আচ্ছা, so did you complete writing peak inverse voltage half wave এর ক্ষেত্রে কত ছিল? What were the figures? Wave, center tap and bridge. What were the figures for half wave, center tap and bridge?
ma'am, you didn't tell any value. for the peak inverse voltage. You just were starting
Louder,
to
please.
tell about.
Louder.
Ma'am, you were just
Louder, please.
ma'am, can you hear me?
Yeah. Very faint, but yes. Bolo.
Ma'am, you have just started the peak inverse voltage and then the meeting
না
ended
না
abruptly.
ফিগার্স না ফিগার্স গুলো লিখিয়েছিলাম না যে
Ma'am,
হাফ ওয়েভ
ma'am, you said that, ma'am, you said that after completing, like after making us understand what is peak inverse voltage, after that you will give the figures for the half wave, center tap and bridge.
আচ্ছা তাহলে তুমি এক কাজ করো, ইউ রাইট ডাউন দ্য ফিগার্স ফর হাফ ওয়েভ ইট ইজ ভিএম, ফর হাফ ওয়েভ ইট ইজ ভিএম, for half wave it is VM. Okay, for full wave, for center tap, I'm writing center tap. For center tap it is 2 VM. It's 2 VM. For center tap it is it's 2 VM. And for bridge it is again VM. Now what it is, let us see. For bridge it is VM. Okay, so for bridge it is VM. Okay, so half wave it is VM. For center tap it is 2 VM. For bridge it is VM. Okay, so let me explain that. It is called peak inverse voltage. It is called peak inverse voltage or PIV. Or peak inverse voltage. Now what it is, if we look into the case of the half wave, first let us look into the case of the half wave. Okay, half wave. Today again WebEx causing problems in writing. Okay. Okay, so this was the circuit of the half wave rectifier. So when the voltage across the transformer secondary, this for the positive half cycle, suppose this was what? For the positive half cycle, the peak value of voltage, what we write VM is, we write suppose Vn is equal to Vi is equal to say VM, okay, VM sine okay, V is equal to VM sine omega t. This VM is the peak value of voltage. This is the VM is the peak value of voltage. So when the diode for the positive half cycle of the input signal, for the positive half cycle of the input signal, for the positive half cycle of the input signal, the voltage across the diode is VM. Okay, that is the voltage across the diode is VM. So the diode is forward bias, it is conducting. Now what happens in the reverse bias situation? The reverse bias situation also, the voltage across the diode is VM, just the polarity is reversed, right? The polarity is reversed. For the negative half cycle, the upper end is negative and the lower end is positive. The upper end is negative and the lower end is positive. So this is the diode in reverse bias condition. And what is the maximum value of voltage across the diode? What is the maximum value of voltage coming across the diode? The peak inverse voltage, the input voltage, maximum voltage which is coming across, falling across the diode is nothing but this VM, is nothing but this VM in reversed form. Okay, so this is called peak inverse voltage, the input voltage across, the maximum input voltage across the diode in reverse bias condition. So that is nothing but VM. Okay, that is nothing but VM. So for peak inverse voltage for a half wave rectifier is VM. Okay, got it, students? Is it clear? Is it clear? Is it clear?
Ma'am, can you repeat once?
Responses, please.
Ma'am, can you repeat once?
আচ্ছা, you got the meeting request. It is still 12:20, right? This I couldn't set it from 11:15. I set it from 11:30. So it's up to 12:20. I don't know why WebEx is showing me that it's going to end in 5 minutes. I don't know. In that case, I'm going to. You have another meeting after this. I'll be setting a fresh meeting in that case. I don't know what is wrong. Somehow the timings went wrong or what. I don't know. I have to look into the meeting request. Just check it out, Suretra, once the mail that has got to you. ওখানে time duration টা লেখা থাকে একটু দেখো তো first meeting টা. Yes, I'll repeat it once again. So I need to.
12:20, it's starting from 11:30 to 12:20.
হ্যাঁ, কিন্তু আমাকে 12:20 তো, কিন্তু আমাকে 5 মিনিটে মিটিং শেষ দেখাচ্ছে, আমি জানি না কেন। ঠিক আছে, দেখা যাক, কেটে গেলে I will send you a fresh link. ঠিক আছে, তাহলে যখন রিভার্স বায়াস, forget about the forward bias. Reverse bias situation কি? This is the sinusoid. This is the sinusoid, and suppose the input voltage Vi is equal to Vm sine omega t. Okay, V is equal to Vi is equal to Vm sine omega t. Vi is equal to Vm sine omega t. ঠিক আছে তো? Vi is equal to Vm sine omega t. So for the negative half cycle of the input signal, for the negative half cycle of the input signal, this is negative and this is positive. Okay, this is negative and this is positive. What is the maximum voltage drop across this reverse bias? But this is the maximum voltage drop across the diode. ঠিক আছে, the input voltage across the diode, the maximum reverse input voltage across the diode. Is it clear now? So what is that? It is maximum. That is sinusoid. It is going to increase from 0 up to a maximum Vm, and then it is going to reduce down, right? It is going to come back to 0. So, but what is the maximum value? Maximum value is Vm. So the peak inverse voltage, that is the maximum reverse bias voltage coming across the input of the diode, is what? Vm. Clear or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Others, what about the others?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine, clear. Now if we extend this same concept to the center tap full wave rectifier. Center tap full wave rectifier, what happens? I have to draw the circuit once again for you. Okay, so I'm shesh part I'm not drawing. So this, the initial part, you know that for the positive half cycle, diode D1 will be forward bias and diode D2 will be reverse bias. ঠিক আছে, so diode D1 will be forward bias and diode D2 will be reverse bias for the positive half cycle. The same signal Vi is equal to Vm sine omega t. So this is plus minus, this is again plus yes, students, ask the others to join the existing meeting. I think I don't know what, it got disconnected. I'm seeing the time of this meeting up to 12:20. And then again, I rejoined that meeting. What went wrong, I do not know. Some problem might be from the server end. Shawan, change your roll number nomenclature to 55. Remove that 0, okay? Make it double digit. Okay, make it double digit. Nali, you are not, you are coming in the place of roll number 5, rather. Okay, let the others join. Let me just wait for a minute or so.